Dear participants, welcome in the third unit of the certificate program titled as Advanced Academic Writing for Students in English Studies. In this third unit, you are going to study about paragraph writing and quotations. The objective of this unit is designed to help students understand how a paragraph is organized in terms of ideas and quotations from other literary critics. So let us ask Mr. Clement that what are the key components that students are going to study in this unit so far as paragraph and paragraph division is concerned. Yes, Mr. Clement.
Thank you, sir. Students in this unit are going to learn how to organize a paragraph, how a paragraph is logically organized, so how they can divide a paragraph. So usually a paragraph is consists of a number of sentences which deal with one main idea. So it can be organized in the following way. So first we have a topic sentence, and we have supporting sentence, and we have concluding sentences. But in between, you can have examples to support your main arguments or to support your argument you are making. So it means that a paragraph is made of a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and examples, and concluding sentence. So that is very important. You have to keep in mind those elements of a paragraph.
Yeah, okay, very interesting. So, dear participants, when you think of a paragraph, how many times have you thought that your paragraph will have a structure like a topic sentence, development, example, and a summary? I hope reading this unit will give you many more ideas to organize your paragraph writing. What is the another component in this unit?
Another component is
So,
about
dear participants, I hope
quotations, which play an important role in academic writing, because quotations are used to support the ideas, the claims that the writer is making in his writing. So we have two types of quotations in writing a literary argument. You have quotation quoting excerpts from the work being analyzed to support your argument, or quoting from other critics to support your argument. So when you can use these types of quotations, these types of quoting ideas from the original work, that what you say in literature, or from other critics. So that is what you have to do.
Yes, so yeah. Thank you, Mr. Clement. Yes, dear participants, remember always to use quotations when you write your essay type answers or assignments, or obviously in research writing, quotations are very easy to write, because there you can pick up the quotations from the text. But when it comes to write your answers, it is difficult to remember. But some of the quotations from the original text as well as quotations by the critics will obviously add a value to your answers. Your essay type answers in your examinations will be valuable, and you will stand quite ahead of other students if you are able to use appropriately the quotations from the original text as well as from the critics there. So finally, what are the participants supposed to do in this unit?
Students have to do two types of exercise. The first exercise is about rewriting their answer to the short story Click in the first unit, or How Literature Shaped Me, by inserting in their answer some quotations if they find it necessary. And they have one exercise of multiple choice questions.
Okay, very interesting. So, dear participants, you have to again rewrite your write-up. Either or options are given. Either the Click short story where you have given your emotional response, that you can rewrite now with the help of quotations from the short story, or if you want to take some critics also to support your arguments. If you are writing or if you are rewriting here as your submission about how literature shaped me, then also you can go to some literary text or some critics for some quotations and try to use your quotations appropriately when you do this submission. So in this submission, you don't have to write anything new, but there is rewriting either of the submission that you made about the short story Click or about how literature shaped me. So dear participants, I hope this unit number 3 about paragraph writing and quotations will help you a lot in improving your writing skills. Thank you all of you and have a happy learning.